welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video, as you read by the title, is how I edit all of my YouTube videos for you guys. And we're starting in the OpenShot app on my laptop. This is what I use. I've got a lot of mixed feelings about this app, but we're not here to talk about that today. So as you saw, we have a lot to work with. I moved some of the boxes in rows, and speaking of rows, there are 5 rows that we can work with, and you can add up to 5 things at one time for one shot. And as you can see, I have everything that I need already, all the videos and anything for bloopers. So let's just get started. The things that I'm mostly going to cover are how to split clips, delete clips, put clips back together. I do include how to put like a title on the screen, like for like a caption or something, because I do mess something up. So there's a lot of things in here that I like to include. It's gonna have to. Hey, bananas! Back. Hey bananas, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is actually being filmed like... Okay. Hey bananas, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is actually being filmed like... Huh? Okay. You know what, Mac, if you're watching this is going in the video. So... Here's how I edit out all of my ums. And at first I was a little hesitant and I'm just like, oh, that sounds kind of country. It is. But I gave it a chance. Oh my god, it sounds so bad right now. Country. It is. But I gave it a chance. But I gave it a chance. I gave it a chance, and it was really good. That's my opinion. I liked this book of how it's supposed to be read. That's my opinion. Of how it's supposed to be read. That's my opinion. I liked this book. He was a better boyfriend for her than Chase was. Chase was using her as a character. He was a better boyfriend for her than Chase was. He was a better boyfriend for her than Chase was. Chase was using her and cheating on her. He was a serial cheater. Where are the crawdads saying publication date? Yeah, 20. 2014. Book came out in 2014 and ow. Ow. The book came out in 2014 and that was necessary. Why? Why was that necessary? I'm going to be up to all my social media. Will be listed down below. Like always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Like always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. My social media will be listed down below. Like always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You know what, Mac? If you're watching this is going in the video.